What's good, everybody? It's your boy Young here for the rise again, and today I got something in store for y'all. So just drove up to this place and about to get that I had for about a freaking year and never got installed. So due to COVID, I ain't even gonna ask them about showing me how they do it and blah blah blah. Alright, y'all, so we got Ryan here with Street Dreams, and he's the one that helped me out with this. Definitely gonna be coming back. Recommend everybody, because I mean, look at this. How can you not love that? On that note, we about to go back to the crib. Thank you again, Ryan. I appreciate that, man. And I'll see you next time, fam.
Done deal.
That, look at what I got there. I ain't got my plate covered up right now, so whatever. And I got the DRL installed too. Thanks to those at Street Dreams. I appreciate the help. I appreciate the work. Actually, y'all did all the work, so I don't know why I'm saying I appreciate the help. But you get the point. Thank you very much. This looks amazing. I have been wanting to have these installed for so long. We about to go home. We got to play for a little bit more. About to pop the fuse in the joint, because I ain't going to lie. They did let me know I got to send back my DRLs to Oracle, because it's an issue with it not cutting off itself. I could use it, but I gotta pull the fuse every time, otherwise it's gonna drain my battery. It's not gonna cut off on its own. So I'm like, all right, whatever, play it a little bit when I get home, since I do have a bit of a drive ahead of me to get back to my area, or my domicile, wherever I stay. I am super excited though, as y'all can probably tell. So shout out to them, Street Dreams over here. Y'all got some nice rims too. Yeah, so just hold up for a moment. We're gonna be back in a little bit, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more on why I do have to send the one DRL back and the whole issue that happened from what they explained to me. I'm gonna get a little bit more information. Also got a little snippet video that they sent me of when they first installed it with the bumper off and was playing with it. I'm like, yo, that's dope. I'm like, yo. But yeah, all right, I'll see you on the short. All right, everybody, so here's how the lights look. Can't ride with neither one of these colors, so I'm parked somewhere, just chilling. Got my phone right here. I'm about to show you how the app works too real quick. So, got the phone, app, turn them both on right here. Once you got them both on, you can like play with the wheel. And out. Pink lemonade. Yep. Alright, my bad, y'all. I got a phone call at that exact same time. But yeah, so you can play with it like this. See, I'm changing it over here on the wheel, spinning around. Change it to red. Since I have them both Bluetooths on at the same time, even though it looks kind of pink, there's an issue with my DRL though. So that might be the reason why the color is coming out like that too. But you see, there's different presets. This is green, even though that's like turquoise and green. Blue, the blue comes out very well. White, what turquoise is supposed to be, I guess. Yellow and white, all right. And pink comes out very well too, or purple, whatever color you want to call it. Then you can do something like this, like, all right, I'm gonna turn off the Demon Eye one, which is the top one there, and then I can turn the Demon Eye. Did I turn the Demon Eye? I didn't turn off the Demon Eye. Hold up. Oh, I turned off the Demon Eye. My fault. Let me turn on the Demon Eye, turn off the DRL light, and then I can just change it like this, because those ones come up pretty good. See how all that works. And then you got your color wheel here. You can spin it around. So obviously I like my red and my blue. But now let me turn off the Demon Eye, go back to the DRL, and then I can change it to red, green, blue, white, all that type of stuff right there. And then you know you got your color wheel and everything. And let me back up some so I can get a better look on how all that goes. It's pretty cool. It's dope. So not much of an issue there. I like it. I'm happy with it. I found a shop to install it that didn't cost the arm and a leg and whatever other body parts you got to give. So it's dope. When you turn on your car though, right here, your Demon Eyes, once you turn on your car and your lights come on, the Demon Eye cuts off and your regular headlight comes on. But the DRL lights will still show up. So they're still there. They're still good. Let me go to color so I don't get pulled over. I don't really got to worry about the Demon Eye, because, I mean, that's going to turn off anyways, like I just said. Come on, Nick, what are you doing? Whatever. I'll go with that. But, I'm turning around. It is freezing out here. But basically, what happened was the driver on the DRL lights is malfunctioning to the point where I can't turn the light off. So what I have to do is actually take out a fuse, and I'm actually about to do that now, so I don't forget to do it when I get home. That here. And it's a fuse, right? Here's the whole bracket hookup and everything. I know it's dirty down here. They got the Bluetooth controllers installed there, which is pretty dope. Here's the different joints. One of them I gotta pull the fuse at so the DRL lights cut off. So I'm about to do that real quick now. Give me a quick second. I don't know if I got that on camera, but that's basically the fuse there. Put that in my pocket. And now it's off. Got that all closed back up too. It is freezing, so I'm really about to end this video soon. Then turn my lights back to auto and turn the actual car on real quick. And as you see, you got a little bit of the green tint still in there. I don't know if the camera's pulling it up, but basically your regular headlights just cut back on behind it. And since the DRL driver's not working with it, turn it off, and as y'all saw, I had to pull the fuse to get the DRL to turn off, because turn off the car, it'll just still stay on. Basically, I gotta contact Oracle, and when I contact Oracle, I
I gotta let them know the issue and figure out what we're gonna do about it, because there's a warranty on the lights for Oracle themselves. But that's pretty much it for the video. I might add some more commentary. Probably won't, because I'm cold and this video is long enough as it is anyways. But I'll see y'all next time. Stay tuned, because you know what? We always here for the rides, baby. I'm out.